Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about crafts and hobby kits, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter your email address here and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want and choose an account. So this is now it's building this website. Wait a few seconds to build this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want. So here you can change them and you can customize them on your homepage store. For example, I'm gonna choose this theme, select any theme and wait to install it, and after this you can publish it and customize it on your homepage. Once your theme is installed, you can publish it like this. So now you can customize it. Click here customize and it will take you to your homepage store. So here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here, this is the settings where you can design your homepage. So the first, here we have the header, we have the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme, you can show separate line, you can show icons on desktop, you can also turn this on, auto change announcements, you can enable country and region selector, you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to next announcements. Here the text, you can change it if you want, you can pass the link or search for something. For example, I'm gonna select the collections, all collections. That's it. Now let's move on to the header. Yeah, this is the header. You can change the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu and remove it. You can manage the desktop menu type. You can manage the sticky header. Also, you can show separator line. You can change the color scheme, and you can also change the menu color scheme. So like this, you can enable country and region selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. This is let's move on to the next section, the template, the rich text. Here you can change the desktop content position. You can also change the content alignment. Here you can make section for width. You can also edit the section padding. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the heading. Here you can generate the heading. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Craft and hobby kits. So now click here, generate. That's it. You can also edit the heading size if you want. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you wanna add your logo, you go to the header, and after you're done from this, you go to the same settings. So here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link, or your Facebook, or Pinterest, or Instagram, or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select the logo from your library or from browser. For example, let's search on it on the browser. Craft and hobby kits logo idea, like this. So for example this. Now this is your logo right now. You can design it at any time you want. You can change it. You can change it from your library or from wherever you want. So that's it. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So let's get back. Let's move on to the college section. Here you can select collection. You can add your own collection. You can generate the text here. Just describe what this text is about. Craft and hobby text. Kits like this. Now wait a few seconds to generate these suggestions. You can choose whatever you want. Here this is the heading size. You can manage it. You can also change the desktop logo width and the desktop layout. You can change the mobile layout. You can also manage the section padding, the top padding and the bottom padding. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collections. Here you can generate also the text, like all this craft and hobby kits. You can edit the heading size. Here the description, just describe what this text is about, like this. Just click here and type craft and hobby kits. Here you can show collection description from the admin. Here you can change the collection if you want. You can make products full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. For example, image banner or image with the text or slideshow, whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section, the footer. You can edit here the email sign up. So here you can change the color scheme. You can also manage the section padding and you can make section full width. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now all you have to do is save this. And let's get back and let's exit from here, and here you can go to the home page, the dashboard, where you can name your store after you customizing your online store, and after you import your first product, after you add the sharing details, and after you add the custom details, after you add the custom domain. Now next step, name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, you can change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now all you have to do after customizing your online store and done from all the designation style and the editing stuff, now you can launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.